Walkie Talkie app without internet tutorial. So, if you want to use Walkie Talkie, then first you need to open up your Play Store. From your Play Store or your App Store, you need to search for Walkie Talkie. Make sure that you've installed Walkie Talkie. Once you've installed it, now in my case, I've installed this one, which is two-way Walkie Talkie. You need to open it up and then allow the permissions. Once you allow the permissions, you need to tap on Talk, and then you will have a 6-digit code or 6-digit numbers, which is your walkie-talkie number. Your walkie-talkie number, which will be in the top left, which needs to be used for another device with whom you want to talk. And you also have a location or the world map icon. You just need to simply press on the location where your friend is located. Locate the city of your friend and type in the 6-digit number which your friend has. And then you need to press on the talk icon in order to speak to. So you don't need internet, you just need something connect with your Bluetooth. Make sure that the phone is in the range capacity of your Wi-Fi or your Bluetooth. Only then it will be useful. That's how you can use Walkie Talkie app without the internet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.